to be like this. I'm actually out here to ensure that the peace is keeping.
You know, just because there's a curfew does not mean we're not still going to fight for what we believe in. I mean, if that's going to take from sunrise to sundown, then so be
it. We appreciate and respect all peaceful protest. But now it is time for people to go home so we can all move forward.